What's up, guys? Yamaha R1 2023. Today we have something special. Underslung rear brake with Brembo calipers. Let's see what have we done here. The modification by remove the hanger, the stock hanger from the swing arm. It was here by installing from yard. I will link the sites under the video. This is the hanger and the underslung hanger, which have ready to put the ABS sensor. We installed a Brembo caliper with titanium bolts and front turbo carbon brake lines. This is custom made brake lines from WRS by ordering the specific centimeters, because the kit from R1 that front turbo has is made for the stock setup. So we have made pretty nice work by replacing all the brake lines, carbon fiber brake lines here, carbon fiber brake lines from the pump to the ABS. You see here the connections. Yes, one more titanium bolt, and carbon fiber to the brake caliper. This is where brake lines pass between the swing arm and the hanger. There is a small space which holds the brake line safely, and for better removing the wheel, I drilled the chains adjusters by making those small drills, those small holes, one left and right, and these small holes are bolted on the underslung hanger. So when you remove the wheel, the rear wheel, it stays on the swing arm, and it's easily to take off the wheel and make your tire change. You only have to remove the axle, place somewhere safe the chain, and voila, wheel is out. Besides the modification of the swing arm, we have placed some jet prime switches by removing the plastic stock switch. See the left switch, it's plug and play. It works. This is for the lights, the turn signals, mode at the menu. You see, it works perfect. The horn, right side, there is an off button. The mode, again up and down, it works. All is plug in, and the ignition button. Inside this switch is connected the grip